Hi everyone, thank you so much for allowing me this opportunity to be able to present beautiful Webersburg wine estate. My name is Savannah Hanny, and Webersburg is located in the heartlands of beautiful Stellenbosch, known as the Golden Triangle. Webersburg is very famously known for its luxurious five-star accommodation, along with its wonderful wine pairing experiences that we do offer on the estate as a whole. It really is beautiful and so scenic with the Helderberg Mountains that always one is able to enjoy on a daily basis with the scenic views of Table Mountain in the backdrop and the beautiful lakes that surround the estate every day. And the scenic gardens makes for the perfect picnic on the lawns and it's an enjoyable time overall. The estate does offer around 24 rooms in total. We also are in the process of adding additional 2 rooms, which should push up the rooms to around 26 in total, which we're very excited about as our goal for this year. And in terms of Webersburg, we have already renovated about 13 of the rooms in total to bring them up to a luxurious five-star accommodation. And yeah, as Webersburg is now known for the fact that it's been taken over by new ownership and with a new vision to drive tourism forward and to have guests from all over the world to be able to experience what our magnificent estate has to offer, from wine pairings to picnics to cinema evenings under the stars. To be able to enjoy our fine dining at the estate, luxurious accommodation, our spa, to your yoga and your Pilates, vineyard tastings. And there's so much to do, art tours as well. We have a concierge department to be able to offer exclusive experiences around the estate, which truly makes for a wonderful time for anyone that does come to Webersburg. We're also very excited to be able to share that we do lovely fly-ins with NSC helicopters, and they are our exclusive partner. We also have a wonderful brand exposure opportunity, which we are working with NSC and to be able to brand Webersburg and be the exclusive partner going forward. So we're very excited about building this partnership with NSC and very thankful for all their support. And actually, if you haven't followed us on social media, we actually have Kevin Fraser that was at Webersburg, and he just had a total blast. Being able to enjoy our wonderful barrel room and our wine tasting and the fine dining experience that he did have, and just be able to end off his tour for the year last year. And couldn't have been in a greater place than at magnificent Webersburg. We then also have our beautiful restaurant. The restaurant is located in the estate and it offers scenic views. We do breakfast, lunches, and dinners. The estate really is magnificent for all these occasions in terms of dining. We also do our barrel room dining as well, which is really perfect for a wine and menu pairing as well, and just being able to enjoy the real history where in our restaurant you have the beautiful scenery that surrounds you, and there's optional seasonal menus that one can enjoy throughout the year. And our chef is really so talented. She really does go the extra mile in making sure that guests feel that every attention to detail on the plate and her passion and heart is on the plate. So yeah, we really make sure that the guests are catered for in terms of all dietary requirements, and families, groups, couples, anybody and everybody is welcome to come and experience our wonderful restaurant at Webersburg Wine Estate. And just sharing in the wonderful warmth and hospitality that all guests get to enjoy when they do come to Webersburg, especially at our restaurant. It doesn't get any better than that. Yes, in terms of talking about history, history is truly something that we want to focus and keep alive at Webersburg. I think the history truly talks through the walls and through the wonderful antique furniture, which is so important to preserve and keep alive and to share the traditions of Webersburg. The estate as a whole dates back to the late 1700s, especially in 1786, and then later where the cellar was built in 1796. And the cellar overall offers wonderful fine dining experiences to conferencing, as well as just being able to showcase the history and do historical tours in terms of sharing how Webersburg had transformed from the 1700s to where it is today. And we have all these photographs which we've kept and preserved to be able to show guests, that is what it looked like then, and that is what it looks like now. And just being able to see the transformation and also share all the unique history of Bastian and how he inherited the farm from the governor of the Cape back then when he first arrived in South Africa, and how he really transformed Webersburg from the massive farm that it was and to what it is today. And I just being able to share that story and the connection of history is very important for us as a state overall. Linking the history to the wine and the history of the wine coming through generation after generation, and we're very much well known for our predominant red wines, but we also do showcase our wonderful white wines as well, which includes our Sauvignon Blanc, our Rosé, our MCC Brut, our MCC Brut Rosé, and we do wonderful pairings in our cellar, which consists of 140 Rand per person. We then also do our red wine as well, which is done in the barrel room, so that 140 Rand per person includes both experiences. We then have our vineyard experience in terms of tastings that is done in the vineyard, and that is around 240 Rand per person when the guests do come to Webersburg for a wine pairing experience. And it is highly enjoyable and so knowledgeable, and we love being able to share the importance of our wine, especially when it comes to wine selections. We have our Webersburg Brut, which is highly recommended and very popular. We also have our Webersburg Rosé, which is predominantly made of Pinot Noir, of Pinotage, and Pinot Meunier. And yeah, so it gives a lovely vibrant flavors coming through of the blends through the MCC. We then have our Sauvignon Blanc, which is a very tropical Sauvignon Blanc, which I find that it's really found that it has such unique and tropical notes, which really you don't even have to taste the wine. Just the smell of opening the bottle and pouring it into the glass, it just hits you. And the gooseberry flavors and the pineapple and granadilla just makes for one wanting to not even take a moment not to taste it. You just have to. And then why not try a wonderful rosé, of which predominantly it is 100% Shiraz, of which this wine is made of. Especially with a rosé, it gives that wonderful pink salmon flavor and the pink salmony coloring in the wine as well. So that is why our rosé is so unique. Then in terms of for those any special wine pairing experiences, we do it both around the barrels, but also if one wants to be able to be seated, we also do the barrel dining. So this can be done for lunches and for evening dinners as well. Extra romantic, especially for couples that do come. And yes, in the background where you can see is a massive um, steel tank that used to be, and also the historical tools that was also used back in the day for guests um, on the farm, especially when wine was made for people that did come. So the history of the old tools is there, and it was actually a real barrel in terms of the steel frame. So that is how big they were back then. And then obviously you have the modern day barrels which we have today. So just sharing in terms of the history, which is so important when one does come to Webersburg. Then, yeah, in terms of our red wine pairing, this is done with a wonderful cheese platter, which we have ready. So, one usually tastes our wonderful Cab Sav, which is usually our 2016 or 2017. And then you have your Bastian as well. And yeah, we're very excited to be able to be bringing out our 2019 range this year, which is going to be fantastic, and very excited for the next range of wine, which we'll be releasing next year. So, yeah, our team is working very hard in terms of the wine department to be able to get Webersburg out there and for guests to be able to buy it in store. So this year it is the goal of the team to be able to market our wine and get as much clients to be able to experience the wine as well. And yes, so please do buy us and please do support us. Our wine pairing is amazing. The red cap, she is such a gentle lady. Many people are often afraid when they get to think about a cab sauv because of the harsh tones and acidity within the wine. But when you do try our cab, she is just lovely and so mellow. In terms of the blend, that is a Bordeaux blend, so it's a mix of Petit Bordeaux, Merlot, and the Cab Sauv as well. So it's a wonderful magical wine put all together and really putting the heart of Webersburg into the wine, which we are so proud to be able to share with the world and internationally. Yes, and the heart and the warmth and the enjoyment of our wine couldn't get any better than in our beautiful wine barrel room. So please do come and experience our wonderful barrel room tasting. It is sure waiting for you, and the magic of it is just undescribable and so enjoyable, and guests rave about it. And yeah, we then have our beautiful Jonkershuis, of which this is our first Jonkershuis. It is a family suite. It has 2 bedrooms, along with a lounge area and a kitchenette and a dining area. Should this be for a family, it is perfect. It has a double bedroom. It then also has a second bedroom, which is twinned. So this is perfect for a family with an ensuite bathroom with both a shower and a bath. And yes, got beautiful views from the room itself of the beautiful estate. So please do come and visit us to experience the beauty that our family suite does offer. We then have our Yonkers House, room 2, and the luxuriousness of this room just speaks for itself. It is really beautiful. I really attention to detail in terms of the new decor that our team has worked very hard to make sure we showcase the beauty of each of the rooms, and each room is so unique in terms of the decor and the beautiful new renovation that has taken place, and we're very excited to showcase it to the world. We then have Jonkershuis room 3. It also has an ensuite bathroom along with its own kitchen area as well. So really super for clients to be able to enjoy when they do come to beautiful Webersburg. We have our Jonkershuis room 4, and this is next to Jonkershuis room 5. It's linked up with a lounge area. But even if people don't know each other, it's still perfect. They have total privacy as well, and it has its own ensuite bathroom with a bath and shower. Beautiful views of the estate from the room itself. Very feminine. We have our beautiful room 5, and just in terms of the room image, it just speaks for itself in terms of the luxuriousness, the 5-star level of comfort and hospitality, and just the decor. Our team has really gone the extra mile to make sure that guests have just the most incredible time when they do come to stay at Webersburg. We then have our beautiful manor house, and manor house is so historical. It actually is a historical monument, in terms of the history that it has and dating back to so many years ago. And it's got a beautiful lounge and swimming pool as well. So why not make yourself at home in the comfort of our lounge area or a swimming pool and enjoy a lovely cocktail and a little snack platter as well, which we do prepare. We have our beautiful presidential suite, and this is just perfect for any client that does come to stay at Webersburg, and just showcasing the beautiful room and how big it is. It doesn't get any better than coming to stay at our manor house. And then why not feel the Ralph Lauren look when you book into our beautiful room 2 in Manor House with the lovely decor. So please do come and experience this room. It has air conditioning, Wi-Fi, and all the rooms, including Manor House room 2, ensuite bathroom with a bath and shower. And it's just the perfect location. So please come to Webersburg and experience the history that just comes through everywhere, and we just love showcasing our dining area as well. Within Manor House, has its own kitchen, so we can prepare meals and do a dining experience at Manor House as well for clients that do stay at this beautiful Manor House. Manor House also has 3 rooms upstairs. So in total, Manor House has 5 rooms, of which 3 rooms are upstairs and 2 at the bottom. Yonkers House also has 5 rooms, of which the 1 room is a family suite. However, Manor House room 3 is upstairs. It has an ensuite shower and bath, and lovely views of the garden from the room itself. There's a lovely lounge area for guests to be able to enjoy the scenic views from the estate, which is just perfect for the overall unwinding and total relaxation with a glass of wine in hand. We have then Manor House Room 4, the ensuite bathroom with a shower and a bath area, and a bathroom area as well for total privacy, and air conditioning as well, perfect for both summer and winter conditions. And yeah, just being able to showcase our beautiful room 5 in Manor House. So yes, the luxuriousness doesn't stop, and the 5-star experience is something which we really want to be able to share with the world. We then have our Oak Cottage. Oak Cottage is a complete unit. It has 3 bedrooms in it. It caters for about 6 people in total. So each of the bedrooms are completely separate from each other. So you have your own bedroom within the unit itself. And each room is so different in terms of decor and design, which makes the rooms extra special, especially for guests staying in Jonkershuis, especially for a family or a group of friends or group travel as well. It really is perfect for people that do book a cottage. We also have a beautiful swimming pool area, so why not come and enjoy our wonderful whiskies and cocktails and wine and gins that we have on offer, along with our wonderful fruit platters and cheese platters, and just being able to unwind and just enjoy the total vacation next to our swimming pool during the day. And our team is always there, ready to serve, and the hospitality never stops. And why not enjoy some wonderful tennis during your stay at Webersburg? We offer fantastic tennis experiences along with yoga and Pilates as well. In terms of wellness, we have a spa that's going up along with a gym and wellness facility. So very excited to be able to show the importance of wellness, especially throughout our food and our activities that we offer, especially for fitness clients that are very focused on wellness and the importance of this. We truly want to reflect throughout our brand. And yes, continuing on that, we have wonderful interactive cooking experiences. We've partnered with Vincent de Silva as well in terms of art tours. So we do art tour and wine pairing. I learn about the sculptures of Webersburg and then go and visit Vincent de Silva's studio. And yes, then do yoga and Pilates throughout their estate or in our vineyards. Do fine dining in the vineyards. Why not? Doesn't get any better than being able to make yourself at home in the vines themselves and why not wine away and enjoy the hospitality that our incredible team are always there to be able to showcase. We also are very excited to be able to share the news that we are in the process of adding a spa to the wonderful estate. So yes, please be ready to book your wonderful spa treatment with us in a few months' time. Our team is so excited for the new development that is coming. And yes, Webersburg is the new place to be. And please do follow us, and we will be keeping you up to date with all the wonderful treatments. We'll be having a sauna, a spa, a gym, and a variety of treatments from your Turkish baths to your full body massages, facials, everything that one would want to be able to experience in terms of body massage. We will be able to provide that for clients and just have excellent treatment rooms as well. And yes, it doesn't get any better than our sunset vineyard tastings. Just enjoy the wonderful beauty of the vines and the mountains and the scenery of nature, and just take it all in and sip away. The magic continues and it never ends.